Well, I've got two brand new aftermarket Amazon special headlights from my '07 Crown Victoria. Surprisingly, these are probably going to be the easiest headlights I've ever replaced on any car I've ever owned. So for starters, first thing we want to do is pull off this plastic piece here, and we're already missing one of the little clips, but these things just screw down. I don't know if they're captive or not. Feels like they are. So we'll undo this one. Then you would normally have another one there, but that one's gone. That's probably why. Set that there for now. Now we have better access to everything. So we're gonna do this side first. This is a really common issue with these, the water and condensation. As mentioned before, we have these two clips. This one's loose. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Came right out. So maybe this one will cooperate too. Yep. That's it. That's the hardest part of this job, is removing these two clips. You can see they're just compression fit in there. That's all they are. So now to remove the light, very gingerly, just like this. So I'm going to grab the new light before I get too far ahead of myself. If you remove these clips, you're going to run a huge risk of breaking things. And on cars that are 20 years old, I don't want to risk that with this one. So I'm just going to do my best here to undo it and kind of pop it out, just like so. I'm not even gonna try and argue with these things. And so there is fishbowl headlight. So the new lights, which are linked to Amazon in the description, they come with new headlights. I'm not gonna use these. I am going to save them. I just blew it out. So, new light assembly. Let's put the headlight in because I don't want to touch that with my hand. This one. Simple as that. So now pull off saran wrap. So I'm going to do my best to line everything back up here. There we go. Come on. Perfect. Clips back on. And this one only goes on this side because it's just got the square end here. Just like that. There we go. Maybe I should have gotten new marker lights too, but oh well. Looks a lot better. I'm going to do this one off camera. I'll clip in if there's any issues with it. I don't anticipate there will be. Then we'll finish off the video by reinstalling that thing. And then we'll test the lights and see how they look. Well, here they are installed. Let's see what they look like when they're turned on. But I would say that they look a lot better than they did. Not bad for 50 bucks off of Amazon. Links in the description. Let's get that piece back in and close up the hood. Yeah, I would say that looks a lot better than it did. Not too bad. Stay tuned for more videos.